Like falafels? Looking for a homemade sauce to put on them? Well, let me show you 3 different sauces that you can put on falafels. Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and I'm going to show you how to make falafel sauce. 3 different types, a creamy, a fresh, and a zesty falafel sauce. Buckle up, let's go. We'll first start off with a creamy tahini falafel sauce. So let's begin. Grab a food processor, add 3/4 of a cup or 200 grams of yogurt. Using Greek yogurt is best. If you don't have that, plain yogurt will work just fine. Next, add 1/4 of a cup or 50 grams of tahini. Be sure to give the tahini a big mix or stir before you add it so it's well combined. To this, add 2 minced cloves of garlic. To get all of the oils from the garlic, it's a good idea to give them a nice smashing with a mortar and pestle or a knife before you add them to the mixture. Season the tahini sauce with a little bit of salt, 1/2 teaspoon, and a little black pepper to taste. Grab a lemon, juice it. We're going to add the juice of 1 full lemon. And for the final step, crank up that blender, mix until the tahini sauce is creamy and smooth. So there you go. That's how you make a creamy tahini sauce for falafels. Not much to it, easy to make, and tastes great. Alright, let's hit the next sauce, a dill and cucumber falafel sauce. Super quick and easy recipe. Grab a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of yogurt, that's about 245 grams. Greek yogurt would be best, but if you just have plain yogurt, that'll work just fine. Peel, seed, and chop 1/2 a cucumber, that's about 85 grams, and then add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. To add a little bit of freshness to this falafel sauce, chop dill, 1 tablespoon. Season this falafel sauce with a dash of pepper and a little bit of salt, 1/4 teaspoon each. Grab a spoon or a spatula, give it a little bit of a stir, make sure that everything is well combined. Cover it, put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes so that it brings out all of those flavors. And that's all there is to it, a quick and easy dill and cucumber falafel sauce. Alright, here we go. We have a zesty falafel sauce with a little bit of a kick. To a bowl, add 1/2 cup of yogurt, that's about 130 grams. Greek yogurt's best, but plain will work. Then add 1 clove of garlic that's been smashed and minced. Throw in 8 mint leaves that have been chopped nice and fine. To this, add the zest of 1 full lemon. If you don't like it too spicy, add less, maybe half the lemon zest. Round out the falafel sauce with a little bit of salt and pepper, a dash of each, about 1/4 teaspoon. Give it a little bit of a stir, and then let it sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to marry those flavors. And there you go, that's how you make a zesty falafel sauce. Well, thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. Hope that you enjoyed these 3 different falafel sauces. Do you have a favorite falafel sauce? Leave a comment below and let the Sauce and Gravy community know what it is.